What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5. So in today's video, it's all about this one cryptocurrency called Quant, which is getting a lot of hype. A lot of people are talking about it, and also I'm getting a lot of questions around this crypto, asking whether it's a good time to buy this crypto, as it's been performing absolutely insane and currently has been slightly dipping in value. So a lot of people are asking me and DMing me on Instagram asking if it's a good time to purchase it, buy the dips, because there's been a lot of hype around it and looks like it will go to the moon very soon, later this year or even in 2022. So that's what we're going to be talking about today, answering some of the most commonly asked questions in my DMs as well as on my previous YouTube videos, and doing a price update, price prediction, looking at what potential this crypto has for the future. But before I get into the video, I just want to let you guys know this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor, and anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make I will not be responsible for. And also guys, if you're new to the channel, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I'm trying to hit 25,000 subscribers as soon as possible. So it mean a lot if you guys could just go down and hit subscribe. And also, all you need to do to enter the giveaway is simple, guys. All you need to do is subscribe to the channel, and for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. The link to that will be in the description box down below. So let's have a look. So how has Quant been performing over the last few days, weeks? We're not going to go into, well, we can go into months, but really quickly, because that's not what this is all about. This is all about the future and if it's worth investing. So we can see the last 24 hours it's just about gone up 4%, so not that much of a change. £114 at the moment in UK pounds, and the value in US dollars is just above $157. So let's have a look. Let's get the weekly chart up. So over the week, yes, it has dipped 17%. It did do very well last week and the week before that as well, and however, over the last few days it has dipped quite a bit. 17% down is quite major. So is this a good time to buy it? We'll get to that very shortly. And yes guys, over the month it has been doing huge numbers, 110% over the past month. We can see that it literally was started up around the 50 to 60 pounds mark, and then went all the way up to 140. Let's have a look. 141 pounds on August the 2nd, and dipped a little bit, went back up in value, and currently dipping. And I'm expecting this crypto to go back up in value in the next few weeks, and hopefully by September time we should see, probably not, I wouldn't say a new all-time high, but a huge number we should see. And hopefully, yes, a new all-time high. I'm sorry guys, a new all-time high is possible for this crypto later this year, by the end of 2021 or even way before that. But yeah, we'll do that when I do my prediction using this graph right here. So we've got the market cap here of £1.4 billion. We've got the volume in the last 24 hours of £43 million, and we've got the circulating supply of 12.1 million QNT. So let me know in the comment section down below, are any of you guys buying this, or have you guys already bought it and are you guys holding it for the long run, or are you guys new investors who are looking to buy this cryptocurrency and possibly waiting for a dip to take place, which has taken place over the last few days. You can see that slight dip here, but we can also see that it has gone up in value quite a bit, and it's still quite expensive compared to how much it was worth about 2 weeks, 3 weeks ago, or even a few months ago. Here it was literally worth about $8 to $9, but obviously this was back in 2020, so it doesn't really count. We're not going to go that far back. All I'm going to put up is a 3 months chart, so we can see it was worth in its $30 to $40 mark, and right now it has gone up nearly about 3 to 4 times what it was worth about 2 to 3 months ago. So the trading volume, we can see, has gone up by about 10% in the last 24 hours. So I'm pretty sure a lot of people are buying the crypto at the moment, only because yes, it has dipped a little bit and it is currently slightly going back up in value. I wouldn't say it's it's doing very well right now. Right now it is starting to slowly recover, but it's still got a long way to go and hopefully it should. Realistically speaking, I do believe that this crypto can hit a new all-time high by the end of the year, but all we have to do is wait and see how it performs, how it does over the next few days and weeks, because that is very crucial, not just on Quant but the whole crypto market, how it performs. As you can see, Bitcoin has hit I wouldn't say a new all-time high, but it has hit $45,000 3 months high. So that is absolutely insane, and by that we can tell that the crypto market is slowly starting to recover, and hopefully we should see huge numbers by the end of 2021. I can't wait to see what the crypto market has to offer us, not just Bitcoin but the whole crypto market, guys. I'm very excited for the rest of 2021. It looks very promising. Hopefully we don't see any more crashes or any more major dips and stuff like that. and no more negativity around, you know, Tesla and Elon Musk and so on. Hopefully they'll be able to pump it up and hit new all-time highs on all cryptocurrencies, including QNT. So at the moment we are looking at the 30-minute chart. You might have seen me changing this in the first part of the video, so I'm going to get my indicator out, which I usually use anyway, MACD indicator. So let's have a look. So at the bottom here we've got the MACD indicator, and at the top as usual we've got the candlestick pattern chart. So if we zoom in a little bit, we can see that over the next few hours we can expect this crypto to go up in value, or just about fluctuate at the current price range, which is looking quite promising for the next few hours. And again, this is not long term, this is very short term, and you know, it's only what's going to happen over the next few hours. Guys, don't worry, we will slowly move on to the next hourly chart and so on and so on. Don't worry, this is just for the next few hours. Again, nothing to be worried about or getting excited about, only because you know, it's really short term, so it doesn't really affect any of you guys watching it or even myself. So moving up to the hourly chart, this is for the next few days up to a week. So again, we've got some positive news. Both the lines are going up in value. We've got, well, let me zoom in a little bit if I can. Yes, so we've got the blue line in a bullish direction, and so is the orange line going in a bullish direction, looking very positive over the next few days to a week. So again, do expect this crypto to go up in value over the next few days as well. And again, I'm not saying that it's going to be a consistent peak in value. There will be dips in between. However, the overall outcome over the next few days is going to be positive. So yes guys, hoping to reach about the 175 to $180 mark over the next few days to a week. So hopefully that, you know, that do take place. But let's move on from the hourly chart, let's move on to the daily chart. So this is literally for the next few weeks. So again, it's not looking too healthy. Well, healthy, I mean the graph itself is not looking too good, only because I'm using a different graph that I usually use, because that is not working at the moment whilst I'm recording this video. So anyway, over the next few 3 to 4 weeks we can expect it to just about fluctuate at the current price range. However, you know, judging it by how the graph looks like, is not looking too accurate, so I'm not gonna say any more on this graph right now, only because it's not looking accurate. So I don't want to give you guys false information or inaccurate information. So again, we're going to ignore this graph. But over the next week and a half to 2 weeks is looking quite promising. Looks like it is on the way to hit a new all-time high guys. So yeah, watch out for this crypto. I personally have not invested any of my money into this crypto. However, I am looking to, hopefully I will in the next few weeks to a month, if it does dip quite hard. However, if it doesn't, I'm not going to get into it, only because personally I think it's already too high. And yes, even though it will go higher, I'll be able to, you know, however much I invest, say I buy about 2 or 3, about, you know, say let's say $500 for example, I'll be able to buy 3 shares, not shares, but 3 Quant tokens, just about 3. But I'd rather invest that into other cryptos that are much cheaper than this crypto, and $500 is a lot of money, guys. So when it comes to crypto, you know, I could buy, you know, millions worth of other cryptos, or even thousands worth, instead of just 3 of Quant. So that is why I tend to keep myself away from really expensive cryptos. Unless I see a very huge future, I tend to keep away from them. So that is what I'm doing. But if it does drop to maybe below $100, or maybe even below that, I may look into buying it. But again, I'll give you guys more information on that if I do buy it. And every time I buy and sell cryptos, you guys know, those of you who follow me on Instagram, I always post on my Instagram story. So if you guys want to know when I buy what crypto, make sure to follow me on Instagram. And if you guys want to know when I sell them as well, I always post on my Instagram story. So the link to my Instagram is in the description box down below, so make sure you give me a follow if you guys want to. But yeah, I'm not going to keep you guys there for too long. All I ask before you click off the video is just to please subscribe to the channel and like this video. I'm trying to hit 25k subs, so it will mean a lot if you guys could go down and hit subscribe, and also give me a follow on Instagram. But yeah, that is pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure to leave it a like, and if you didn't, make sure to leave it a like as well. And yeah, that is pretty much it. Thank you so much to everyone who have been watching, especially those who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel. Thank you guys so much, and I appreciate each and every single one of you. And I'll catch you in my next video. Take care and peace.